Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we just got in our Lasfit rubber floor liners. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to show you how well they fit and all that good stuff. So let's get to the unboxing part, see how they look. Comes in nice packaging. Like all their stuff, everything is really nice. It's actually a 5-piece set. Looks like one of the rears. Another rear. This is the rear center for the hump in the back to connect these two. This is the passenger side front. And this is the driver's side with the factory holes with locks. So let's get these installed and see how well they fit. But before we do that, I gotta get the inside of this car cleaned up because it's pretty dirty inside. Now we got the rug pretty clean. Get the pedals clean, and then we'll put those new mats in. So I'm just going to use a little bit of all-purpose cleaner on the pedals. Just wipe them down. With this now. Little details make a world of difference. Nice fresh pedals again. Let's get those mats in. Alright, so first we're going to be putting in the driver's side. This actually covers the dead pedal, as you can see, when it goes in. And also, like I was saying, it locks right into the factory little locking points. Just got to make sure it's twisted the correct direction. It's all locked in. You got a lot of coverage. Better than the OEM Hondas. Try to block out some of that sun for you. I was getting all kinds of dirt up here. It does cover your dead pedal, as you can see. But the mats look real nice, lots of coverage. They come up further back. That way you don't get any dirt back into there. They actually use an environmentally friendly rubber, if that's a concern for you. Might as well help the earth while we're at it. No point on doing any harm. And they're very easy to clean. Okay, we're now on to the passenger rear. I'm going to just go around the other side so you could get a better angle, see how well they fit. Coverage goes all the way up right to the rails, and then you have this extension piece right here that just basically feeds right in to the side of the mat, like so. You lift the mat up a little bit, it tucks in really nice coverage, a lot more than the other mats I had. So now you can see how well they cover the floor. Really nice. This piece I really like too. I don't have anybody in the back seat because I have, you know, little guys, so nobody's really stepping back here but so much. But if you do, you're actually protecting this piece. really nicely. I'll get the other one in, show you what it looks like. Okay, so the whole rear is done. This is what it looks like. The fit is really, really nice. These are all laser precision cut, so they're all guaranteed to fit perfectly. I'll put the passenger front in now and just show you what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be installing the front one. This one doesn't have any of those factory points like the other one does, so these just basically slide right in. Very simple. Fits perfect, just like all the other ones. Really nice product. This material also stays very, very soft even when it's cold, so it won't get all stiff and curl up on you or anything like that. It's supposed to stay soft even on the coldest of days and be very pliable. That way you get a perfect fit. So I'm going to put a link in the description for these. I am able to give you a 10% discount if you use my name, Dan Villa. I'll put the link in the description along with that discount code. I'm going to just move the car around so you can see the driver's side. I'll do a quick little walk around, show you how everything looks as a whole, and then that's pretty much it. So here's how the driver front mat looks. The rears with the center protector. And the front passenger. Well, I'm really happy with these. They look really nice. I'm sure they'll hold up well. So that's pretty much the installation for these and what they're all about. If you would like to order a set, like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description for you. And remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with more product reviews and all other kinds of stuff on the channel. So take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you all.